question is, are we alone?
You ever seen a UFO in these parts?
Just 12 minutes after the astronauts left planet Earth Friday morning, part of the Falcon 9 rocket separates from the Dragon. That's when some kind of object flies between the two.
When he was filming the Aurora Borealis, he was doing a time lapse. Just into the time lapse, there's a few objects that appear. We're going to freeze it for you so you can get a good look at it. 5 objects appear flying alongside each other with the same distance in between them. He suggested they may have been, quote, space guests. Whatever.
In night vision video from a Navy destroyer, a mysterious flying triangle above the deck of the ship. The Pentagon confirming the images obtained by documentary filmmaker Jeremy Corbell were taken by Navy personnel, expected to be a part of a report on unidentified aerial phenomenon to be presented to Congress this summer. The objects go beyond just flying in the sky. One shows a spherical object dipping into the ocean, similar to an incident in Puerto Rico, where an object was tracked buzzing an airport, then flying into the water, popping back out before appearing to split into two and disappearing. Over the last several weeks, some of the nation's top former intelligence officials have been raising eyebrows. December, ex-CIA Director John Brennan said it was arrogant to believe there are no other forms of life other than the ones on Earth. And former intelligence chief John Ratcliffe says officials have been tracking technology beyond our capabilities.
We're talking about objects picked up by satellite imagery that are difficult to explain.
Like another incident off the coast of California in 2004 when a fighter squadron encountered an object that seemed to defy gravity.
What do you think it is?
I honestly don't know. I don't think that we have developed that technology. I don't think we developed it on this planet.
Video from that encounter and 2 other incidents were officially released by the Pentagon last year. Now new signs that the Pentagon could declassify more sightings of what they can't explain.
Newly leaked vision from the U.S. Navy.
The U.S. government acknowledging the existence
of unidentified flying objects.
UFO. My gosh.
From the realms of science fiction straight to the White House.
Splashed. Mark bearing a range.
This footage, leaked from the U.S. Navy, defied explanation, sparking legitimate inquiries within the Pentagon.
I have now released footage of one of those objects descending into the water without destruction. There's no rotors, no tails, no exhaust plume in this FLIR image that you're seeing, which is forward-looking infrared.
Several retired Navy officers say the technology on display is between 100 and 1,000 years ahead of that possessed by the United States. It and several other videos are now under review by a government task force.
So, does the dramatic increase in sightings worldwide just mean everyone's carrying a phone now? Or does it mean they've been here all along and we're just now starting to notice it more?
Oh, look at that! I have never seen something like that before. Whoa. That is amazing.
Зрелище. Вот этот вот треугольничек. Не пойму, что такое. It's on fire.
What is that?
I wasn't sure what to believe until one day I saw one myself. crazy, but beautiful weather. You'd think it was dark outside, almost, but it's not even 7:30, 7:45 right now, actually. A series of thunderstorms were headed into the area, so I grabbed my camera equipment to find a good spot.
The National Weather Service in Pocatello has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Blaine County in
Next storm coming through. It's getting windy already. Dust blowing everywhere. A lot of lightning. Did you catch that? That was cool. Okay, coming up right here. Did you see it? Yeah, neither did I. Not until I went home and a week later showed it to Amy on the TV. So check it out. I want to show you the lightning that I captured when I was in Idaho.
Wait, what's that? Right there.
What?
That little mark in the right there. See? What's that?
Huh. I'm not sure.
Look at it. It comes like from out of the sky.
You can still see it.
Is it a plane?
It's gone. So that's where...
What is that?
I don't know.
Okay, so
that comes into the picture there. Let me just keep going. It's not a...
It looks like a Tic Tac. It's like, look at it. It looks like a little tiny Tic Tac.
Yeah.
Now where did it go?
It disappeared. Oh,
it kind of went in the cloud.
It did. You see it?
Is that lightning?
I don't think so, unless it's like ball lightning, but I've never seen it move like that. I would say my sighting fits into the tic-tac shape category, like this one here seen in the UK and around the world. After researching for months, reviewing my footage countless times, I believe this is a UFO and not of this world. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.